goes our cow. Here comes her boyfriend. Hey, big guy. Cool. Kim, I think he's drunk. He's bow-legged. Are they in rut?
Yes.
Okay, Kim, they're in rut. I am. There goes the animal control guys.
Did you get the two of them?
Yeah, with his tongue wagging.
Let me see.
Hang on.
Look, I got him chasing.
Yeah, me too. Cool.
Oh my god. You and me.
They're in rut, that's why his tongue was going like that.
What's that mean?
That means he's like ready to
Mate?
unga boonga.
I know, I said, oh my